Sit back, relax, grab a drink, and welcome to the updated home tour. So I'm so excited to bring you guys this update. There is a decent amount of stuff done, actually a lot. We've been hard at work getting stuff done. There's still some more little things we want to do, so expect more updates, but here's the first and probably biggest update that you'll see. So without further ado, let's start the tour. So just to refresh your memory, here is the before. Here's the living room and dining room. The wall is still there. The paint is still a mismatched mess. So here is the living room area, which is about to blow your minds. Now, when you walk inside, you are greeted by a big open space. Before, there was a wall separating. So we knocked that down, which was the first big thing I knew I wanted to do to really make this place open up. Such a huge difference. And then of course I had to get some new light fixtures. I absolutely love this one, found it at Costco. And this is an old nightstand that I have, and I just used it as a good little spot to put our mail, keys, and mask at the bottom there. So absolutely love this room. And look how much that light really just lights up the place. So here is the living room area, which I absolutely adore it. And then over here is the dining area. I love the flow. I love the big ceilings. It just feels so open now in here and so roomy. Let me step back a little this way so you guys can see. Absolutely love it. I'll go a little more in detail where we got stuff and take you on another angle. Here is the angle from the farthest corner this way. Love our couch. We got some orange family colors happening, a lot of neutrals still, which is really what I wanted. And this was the most recent find, which really matched the pillows perfectly. All the little designs and little decors. Some of them were old, a lot of them are new. The couch is Costco. All of the pillows are actually Ross, and those chairs are from Home Goods. This little blanket, I guess, organizer is what we're using it for. We got at Ross as well. That succulent was from Bree's house, which more on that in a minute. Now this little section was the latest thing we did. Hey, this is what I really wanted to finish before we did the home tour. I absolutely love how this turned out. There's still a couple little things I want to find for this shelving area, but I just think it turned out so cute. This is where the wall used to be. That used to separate all these rooms. I love it so much. That little stool is really just to give this whole area a little extra interest. That was from Ross. The moon was from Bree's house. This little picture from Ross. This whole shelf was also from Ross. The butterfly from Ross. That succulent I already had. This seeing eye was one of my favorite things I found. I got that from Ross. This is not sponsored by Ross. Wish it was. The lamp is Ross. The plant is Ross. Crystal's Home Goods. The little, oh my gosh, what is it called?
They're called hourglasses.
The timer, you know, the sand timer. That's Home Goods as well. Cute little candles, Magic 8 Ball from the at-home store. And the actual shelving unit is also from Ross. And this mirror is from my grandma's house. So I've had it for a long time. We got our table from at-home store, and these chairs are from Home Goods. This little piece is just a little centerpiece that I thought was so cute from Ross to kind of bring in the black and the white and the neutrals. I thought it looked so cute with the whole style. I guess I'm calling this like modern boho vibes, I guess. I don't know, let me know what you guys would consider this style. Here's another view from this side. And then we come over here, this old shelving unit. If you've seen my try-ons, you recognize it probably. I just thought it looked good here. Those skulls are things I already had. Pretty much everything on here. Well, actually the top two are new. This little ball here and the plant are both from the at-home store, which I never went to the at-home store until I started looking for this house. Love it. And this little basket is to wipe the dog's paws after they go to the potty, because it's starting to rain here and I don't want muddy paws all over my floors. Oh, and can we talk about the floors? I don't think I even talked about the floors. Hello? Before this was all carpet. Now we got these beautiful floors. I absolutely love them. And I love how much light. I mean, I know I have that light on, but even without it on, there's just so much natural light that comes in this space, which is one of my favorite things about it. Now on to the kitchen, which definitely there's some differences, mostly in the paint and flooring and decorating, but there's still some work to be had. Those light fixtures up there are gonna get changed. And this light fixture is the same one you guys saw out there. I just wanted them to match since they're both chandelier style. And here is our little coffee area. How cute is this? This is exactly what I envisioned when I first saw the house. I was like, I really want this area to be like a little coffee nook area because I knew I wanted the main table out there. I really loved how this turned out. This is an old shelf that me and Jeff had for forever. And we just have all of our coffee stuff on it, some extra candles, and I got the black version of that white vase. The lid fell off, unfortunately, so I decided just to put it down there for now. I might get some like fake plants or something to put in it just to make it look a little more complete. How cute is this coffee bar? I always wanted a coffee bar, never had a space for it, so love it so much. And look at these chairs. These chairs got me. The color's gorgeous. It's kind of like a burnt orange with like a pinky nude leopard print. And then you have this table. All of those three things were from Home Goods. And these chairs swivel. Okay, that's so nice. Like, honestly, we've already found ourselves using them a lot more than I think we even thought. Just because it's nice, you're sitting here, someone else is cooking, you can kind of just sit here, maybe grab your coffee, have a little snack, what have you. We love it. In the kitchen, we started this backsplash. This backsplash has been a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. But it's looking good so far, it's just not done. I wanted it to be done before I showed you guys, but honestly, it's probably gonna be a minute. We also still have some hardware that we need to add to the cabinets. We just have some black handlebars that are gonna look so nice. So that'll be the next big update when the kitchen is finally done. But already just with the new floor and the paint and the decor, I feel like it looks so nice in here. And then we have just some fun little cookbooks up there as well. Wait, before I leave the kitchen, I think there's actually something I hear in the dining room. Oh, who is it? My roommate. Yes, that's right. Bree and Carmela plus all these dogs are now living here as well. We got 4 of these dogs, Georgia and Callie, which in case you didn't already know, there's actual sisters. Gus, and then where's Captain? Captain! And little Cappy and Gus. So they're having a blast. Carm's doing her homework and living her best life. So yeah.
I'm eating baby carrots, living my best life.
Yes, she is. Looking cute doing it. Now let's go back to the tour. We're moving our way down the hall. So into Carmela's room we go. Oh, who is it? Captain and Gussie. Hi guys. Her bed has been taken over by the dogs. And she just got her desk. Oh, hey, mirror. It looks so cute. She's got a lot more storage. Like, I kind of want this desk, honestly, because all that storage is amazing. And then this cute mirror she's going to put on the wall. Right now, it's just hanging out there. She got that at a garage sale, actually. And the whole table was pieces for Michael. She wanted the one from IKEA, but apparently it's been sold out for a hot minute. So here it is. How cute. She just wanted her whole thing open as well. Took the doors off so she could have the open closet with a few of her other little fun accessories. So, oh, and she's really into collecting the Munster cans. So here they are. So cute. We got the moon in here too. And the Mr. Babies. And here is the main bathroom slash Bree and Carmela's bathroom. Also more decorated than mine. Bree like did not waste a single second on getting her stuff decorated. I respect it. Look at that. Cute little crystal shelving unit. Fun. We're gonna be getting new vanities soon, so that'll also be in the next update, which will provide more storage, which will be super nice. Now we're gonna go down the hallway a little further into Bree's room. We got witchy yet girly vibes going on in here. I love her comforter. It's just so cute and fuzzy looking. She's got a lot of fun stuff going on in here. Still gonna get like a couple other storage things to help, you know, with storage and all that fun stuff, but it's looking very cute and very Brie. She definitely made it look so cute. She's the most decorated bedroom of all of us, so go her. Now, the last room I'm gonna show you is my room, me and Jeff's, you know, here we are, pretty basic. We haven't really done much decorating yet, but we did get this new comforter, really living out my pumpkin spice dreams. And this room setup is kind of a lot like my old room right now, especially the Seattle picture, everything. I want to get either one big picture to put above my bed, or I'm going to do a little collage wall. I haven't decided yet, so we'll see what happens with that. We did get this new little foot stand with the dog steps for the dogs, you know. They got small legs, they need assistance. And the bathroom, also not much to show yet. We haven't decorated this either. I just got these little rugs because I decided to go 70s in the bathroom. And I have my little pineapples. So I guess it's a pineapple 70s dream in here. And last but not least, my closet that is also under construction still. Hopefully that'll be fully done by the time the next video. I mean, it's pretty good. We're getting there. I want to get like some kind of shelf or hanging thing for my hats because I got more hats in the garage. My shoes are mostly in the garage minus these couple little ones down here. I got my shelves that need to be like attached so they don't fall down, because ain't nobody got time for shoes falling everywhere. So things are coming together. We're having a lot of fun just decorating and enjoying the home. And I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to just be you. Bye guys.
Hey guys.
Done with your homework?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. She was, they know I live in Washington.
Okay,
yeah. Oh man. What does it say? I love my mummy. I love my mummy. We are first gonna go into Carmella's room. Oh, you're in here? Hello.